Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Trello for marketing campaigns. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Trello for marketing campaigns, start by creating a new board. Name the board something relevant, like marketing campaigns. Add a description to clarify the purpose of the board. Next, create lists that represent the stages of your marketing campaigns, such as ideas, in progress, and completed. Under the ideas list, start adding cards for each campaign concept you have. For each card, include a title and a brief description outlining the campaign's goals. Add labels to categorize campaigns by type, such as social media, email, or content marketing. You can also assign due dates to cards to keep track of deadlines. Next, enable checklists within each card to break down tasks needed for each campaign. Add team members to each card to assign responsibilities and improve collaboration. Use the comments section to share updates or feedback with your team. Incorporate attachments, such as images or documents, relevant to each campaign. Create a done list to move completed campaigns and visually track progress. Regularly review and update the board to keep it organized and relevant. Schedule weekly meetings to discuss the current status and prioritize upcoming campaigns. Utilize Trello's Power UPS feature to integrate other tools that facilitate productivity, like calendar views or Slack notifications. Remember to keep your board visually appealing and easy to understand. With these steps, you'll have a well-organized Trello board tailored for your marketing campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.